Alright guys, so it's Brandon. We here. Tomorrow is the Labor Day cleanup and we're getting the stuff for Team Integrity and Team Lillan. And see what we can do tomorrow and see if we can take home this contest or this tournament, this trash tournament. Try and get as much stuff out of the harbor. So getting some refreshments for Team Lillan here at Mega Mart. Making a video. Yeah, not used to this vlogging life yet guys, but just see with me. Now, all set guys, everything for tomorrow, because you know we're gonna do this. Alright guys, so Team Integrity is here. We are on the waters. We are Team Lillan. Yeah, get them. Team Integrity, we're here. Team Lillan. Let me see you guys for the Labor Day. Yeah. All right. Yeah, Mom. We're going to wash it off after.
One object, two object, three. Hold on.
Yeah.
Object 4. So we're going left.
Dip. Dip.
Dip. Get that one.
Position yourself, you wanna get
no fish.
Come on the side of the boat. Move from
hold on.
Andrew, the boat cannot go into the mangrove.
Hold on.
Andrew, the boat cannot go into the mangrove.
Yes, Yanni. Over now, Mr. Cole.
To the left. Yanni. Oh, see one there too, you know.
The boat needs somebody else to hold the bag.
Huh? You want me to come down?
So where?
Walk down the side and you have the rail and just hold on and go around.
Alright.
Let me come down.
All of the garbage is on the land, guys. Nah. A whole heap of garbage right on the shores. You know, maybe we need to do a waterfront cleanup next time. Garbage ahead. Are you the lookout man?
Hello.
Hey, Ima G. What we doing today? We getting? Because what we're doing, cleaning up the harbor.
I see tree now. Same direction, tree.
Hurry up, man. There's another house. What is that? Gun or some plastic gun or something?
Have it, Yanni?
Alright, we have a styrofoam box coming up.
And 2 plastic ahead.
And 2 plastic ahead.
Yes. And to this side as well.
Yes, Yanni.
Yes, Yanni.
A whole heap of garbage to the left or right?
Yanni, come.
You can go straight ahead first, and there are about 3 bottles over there, 2 right there.
Yeah man, we'll book up the jackpot right by the gully.
What's your depth again?
Yeah.
1 bottle. 1 bottle.
Yeah, we have to check the depth.
Yeah, but the radar should.
Yeah, but you just have to be conscious of it. Yeah. Back off a little. Alright.
Something right here, sir.
To the left, a piece of wood.
A piece of wood.
A piece of wood and to the left.
Ethan, this one is for the bottle, baby.
That piece?
Dean around the back of it.
Here's a pad ahead.
Oh, Jesus, Yanni.
See the cake, cupcake.
Yeah, man.
A pampas.
Pampas are front. Pampas are front.
Wood.
And piece of wood. Catch the wood.
Yanni just low something
Let us try.
You want to take everything.
Yeah,
Hey.
Pampas.
Somebody, careful.
That's cool.
So we saw some guys by the waterfront and them giving us a hand. Swimming over some bottles. Kind of hard to reach to.
In the bag, Dean.
Oh, here's a bag.
Here's a bag. Just
All the plastic bottles there, just put them there.
you have some down.
What we doing?
I'm not sure. Nice deep in.
Peter, your nose heavy. Open up. Come. Keep it.
Level.
That's waterproof.
It's waterproof, but the screen crack.
Oh, it crack when you go in the water.
No, it crack when it hit here before it go into the water. Huh? YouTube everybody. Yeah, so I wanted to show you guys a bit about the Labor Day activity that you guys didn't see. I was kind of a little annoyed about it, but as a part of every day, you know, there's always going to be some kind of curveball. Anyhow, on the Labor Day activity, we were climbing off the boat, going onto a pier, put my phone in my bag, turned to help someone to get off the boat, and BAM! Listen, it literally slid on some concrete and dropped into the salt water. Yeah, like destroyed my phone. Well, beauty is can replace it. You know, it was really not a bad of a deal, but it meant that I never got to capture a lot of stuff that I usually capture on this. It also meant that my Instagram posts went down for a little bit. But, you know, hidden blessings, I guess. Meant that I got to actually be in the moment a little more and kind of parked the GoPro and just focused on picking up bottles, which we came third. I think I videoed that, so you'll see that now.
Just tie that bag and ready for it.
Yeah, hold it.
When you jump in the water,
This is videoing?
yeah, they have a problem with
It is videoing.
It's video
I know she was one thing.
Oh, no, it's a
Huh? After I like shoot. Yeah.
Can you guys please get your tickets and go and get your food and eat?
Tracy.
Wink it.
Tracy.
So this is the pile that Lillan Team Integrity brought on. Right? Don't the team? Yeah, man. So we're at Yacht Club now, and there are multiple large piles. It's a really good effort and initiative. You know, this trash tournament. It's a really good vibe. You should have what? Today is done, but I'm about to show you the prize. Check out. Who that? Ali G. You don't mind me vlogging you? I should have asked this before the vlog, but yeah. Yeah, man. So, respect. Yeah, so Team Lillan, we came third, and I'm about to show you the prizes. Altogether, we came third as a team, and that works out to be these prizes. A whole heap of sponsors. Big up to everybody who came out, made that Labor Day trash tournament happen, you know. Oh, Natisha, hi. Sorry, I'm vlogging. Alright guys, so to split the prizes, we are going to pick a number, and each person who picks a number will get.
So
pick a number, but don't open it yet. Just pick a number.
Pick a number, don't open it yet.
Pick one.
Don't open it yet.
Pick one.
Hold on.
Just pick one.
What me want to find? Which number me want to find? Which number?
The people who are here on the table.
Which, no man, I just want to see which number may I look.
Alan, come pick your number.
Brandon, just pick one.
Alright, everyone come.
Natasha, come pick your number.
You're not supposed to open it yet.
We'll open it as yet.
Pick your number.
And stop on the screen, man. Take one.
Suspense.
Mrs. Cowan. Tracy.
I get Winky one already.
Well, one wasn't in there for week.
Mrs. Cowan. Mrs. Cowan. Hold on, Mrs. Cowan.
We're supposed to.
Yeah.
No, Winky gone set already. We're good.
I got mine.
Yeah, it's a reminder, she would never come Winky.
Y'all heard some people.
So these are the prizes.
Yeah, right. Yeah, you come pick you something.
We'll be seeing two.
Fridge? Alright, we'll take another one.
Natasha.
And then Dean.
Yeah, Dean.
Dean
Dean is in this to open his own line.
Alright.
Alright, guys.
Everybody can open at the same time.
Yes, you can open it now.
14.
Alright,
10.
so. Alright, wait. So number 10 prize.
11.
Wait.
I get 11.
We're going around this way. So we're starting.
I get 11.
Alright, so number 1 prize. Who got number 1? So number 1, that's your prize. Number 2.
Who is number 2?
This is number 2.
Alright.
Who is number 3? 4.
Who is 4?
Oh, yeah, I'm 4. 5.
Alright.
6.
Yes.
7.
Who is 7?
7. Oh, that's your 8.
Who's it?
Who is it?
Who's it?
Oh, it's probably 9. 10.
Me.
11.
Right there.
12. 13. 14. Alright, so you guys can go through your pages.
I better give certificate. What's that?
Anybody who wants to have a cell phone they want to fix?
Yeah, man.
Can yours be fixed though?
We'll figure out.
But keep it because you might